Hello everyone and welcome to break 1225 for the 2019 Topps Tier 1. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. Let's go ahead and check the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, November 1st, 2019. It's 10:24 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:24 p.m. Central Time, and 7:24 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Aaron with 5 spots, SIJ with 2 spots, JC Murphy 1, Mad Dog 4, Bryant 1, Jason 6, I'm Free 4, Matt 2, Bella 1, John 1, Kelly 3. We're going to randomize our list here 7 times to determine your team or teams for the break. Aaron on top, Kelly bottom once, twice, 3 times 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has JC Murphy on top, Jason on the bottom. All right. JC has the Diamondbacks, Mad Dog, Braves, Orioles, Kelly, Red Sox, Jason, Cubs, Bella, White Sox, SIJ, Reds, Mad Dog, Indians, I'm Free, Rockies, Jason, Tigers, I'm Free, Astros, Aaron, Royals, Kelly, Angels, Aaron, Dodgers, Jason, Marlins, Aaron, Brewers, Matt, Twins, I'm Free, Mets, Aaron, Yankees, Bryant, Athletics, Aaron, Phillies, Matt, Pirates, Jason, Padres, Kelly, Giants, Mad Dog, Mariners, SIJ, Cardinals, Jason, Rays, I'm Free, Rangers, John, Blue Jays, and last but not least, Jason has the world champ Washington Nationals. So here we are, all sealed up. Whichever team is on the jersey is where the card will go. We actually have a 4th card, so nice little bonus there. First up, we have a Bob Gibson 2 of 10 for the St. Louis Cardinals. Very nice. Check that out. Topps Tier 1 Talent Auto. Very cool. Then we have a Trey Turner 303 out of 375 for the Washington Nationals. Game used jersey. World Series champs, Trey Turner. Tier 1 relic, very nice. Then we have a Xander Bogaerts, Boston Red Sox, 224 out of 375, game used memorabilia. Tier 1 relic. Lastly, we have a Steven Duggar rookie auto 109 out of 250 for the San Francisco Giants. Top certified breakout auto 109 250. Now let's see who is getting what. So to start, we have the Bob Gibson St. Louis Cardinals auto out of 10. 2 out of 10. Bob Gibson. St. Louis Cardinals. It's going SIJSI. Congrats. We got the World Series champs. Trey Turner, Washington Nationals. Game used jersey at a 375. 303. And the Washington Nationals will go to Jason. Congrats, Jason. We have the Xander Bogaerts, Boston Red Sox, 224 out of 375. Boston Red Sox is going to Kelly. Congrats, Kelly. And last but not least, we have the San Francisco Giants. Rookie auto at a 250. San Fran is going to Kelly. Congrats, Kelly. And that was break 225 for the 2019 Topps Tier 1. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check us out on social media. And our eBay store is P2J Sports Cards, so be sure to check us out there. And if you can, please leave us feedback. We would greatly appreciate that. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot. And right after that, we break 1242. Thanks.